The notion of Atlantis has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and storytellers for centuries. Originating from the works of the ancient Greek philosopher Plato, the story of Atlantis is situated in an era long before his time, suggesting that Atlantis was an advanced civilization that existed around 9,000 years before his time. Plato's dialogues, Timaeus and Critias, are the primary sources for the Atlantis tale. According to Plato, Atlantis was a powerful and technologically advanced nation located on an island beyond the Pillars of Hercules, typically associated with the Strait of Gibraltar. This civilization was said to have grown into a formidable naval power that conquered many parts of Western Europe and Africa. Its utopian society boasted grand architecture, extensive knowledge in various sciences, great military prowess, and immense wealth derived from their rich natural resources. However, the tale takes a dramatic turn when Atlantis falls out of favor with the gods, as the Atlanteans' moral integrity declines. In punishment, the gods send catastrophic earthquakes and floods, causing the entire island and its inhabitants to be swallowed by the sea in a single day and night of misfortune. This allegorical tale serves as a timeless lesson on pride, hubris, and the perils of losing ethical ground. The historical existence of Atlantis, as described by Plato, remains a topic debated by scholars and adventurers alike. Various hypotheses have surfaced over time, with some suggesting that Atlantis might have been an allegory created by Plato to convey philosophical concepts. Other theories propose that Atlantis could have been a real place, possibly inspired by actual locations, such as the Minoan civilization on Crete or the island of Santorini, where significant volcanic eruptions and tsunamis occurred, reflecting the tale's catastrophic end. Modern exploration has continued to keep the myth of Atlantis alive. Advances in technology and exploration methods have led to several explorations and claims of finding the lost city. Noteworthy bumps in this investigation have occurred, like the discovery of geographical anomalies on the seabed near the Azores and in the Caribbean. These findings are often met with both skepticism and excitement. Public fascination with Atlantis stretches into popular culture and media. It has cemented itself as an enduring mystery that inspires films, books, TV series, and documentaries. Sci-fi enthusiasts and creative minds often use the story of Atlantis as a backdrop for speculative fiction, imagining what an advanced civilization would entail. While the true nature of the lost city of Atlantis remains unresolved, whether a myth sown from moral philosophy or a history veiled by time and tide, it continues to intrigue the minds of all who ponder the mysteries of the past. Whether myth or hidden history, Atlantis serves as a vessel for imagination and discovery, urging us to delve deeper into our understanding of ancient civilizations and their legacies.